Hello, Ami.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. How is Ami today? How are you, Ami? Hello. How are me? How are you, Ami? Is Ami happy today? Hey, Ami is happy. Very good. Okay, now, are you ready? Are you ready for our lesson? Okay.
Yay!
Yes. Okay. For a while, teacher Novi will just going to share the screen. Wait for a while, Amy. Okay, now you see my screen already? Do you see my screen? Yes or no? Okay, no, not yet, teacher. Okay, what about? Okay, what about now, Amy? You see it already?
No.
Okay, there you go. Okay, for today, we will going to learn more. Okay, learn something today, Annie. Okay, so in our lesson for today, we will going to learn words. Okay, new words. Okay, are you ready, Amy? Are you ready to learn new
Yes.
words? Okay, yes, Amy is ready. Okay, oh, Amy is happy. Okay, wait for a while.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Okay, now let's look at this. Okay, look, Amy, look at the screen. Okay, so let me zoom in. Let me zoom in.
Actually,
Oh, yes.
sheep home.
Oh, now let us go into listen and read. We're going to listen to teacher and read. Okay? Okay, so let's start. So you say hi. Hi. Okay, look.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Hi. I'm Tom.
Okay, what is the name of the boy? This is,
Dog.
who's this? This is Tom. Okay, now let's make, okay, listen to teacher. Let's, All right. Hello, Amy. What is wrong? Why you left in our class? Hello. Okay, why is that, Amy? All right, so let us read again. Okay, let us read. Uh,
Okay.
okay, now let's have hi, I'm Tom.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Tom. I'm
Okay,
Tom.
what is the name of this boy? It's
Tom.
Tom. Very good. Now let's okay read. Let's make. Okay, listen. Let's make. Let's make. Okay, listen to teacher. Let's make.
Yes.
Let's make. Let's make
Let's get.
a
Let's
paper
get
lion.
a lion.
Lion. Okay, do you like lion? Do you like lion? Do you like lion?
No. I like
No.
cat.
Oh, you like cat. Meow. 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 A cat. You don't like lion. Okay, Amy. Now let's read. Okay, let us going to read. Okay, look at the lion. Color the face. Okay, color the face. Listen to teacher Amy. Color the face, the body,
Color the
and
fur of
the
the
body,
cat.
the
The
body,
body,
and the
the
legs.
body,
Now, okay,
and the
can you
lion.
okay, can you circle where is the legs? Where is the legs of the lion? Can you circle? Oh no. Hey, what are you doing, Amy? Hey, what are you doing? What? Okay, now listen. Can you circle the face of the lion? Okay, circle the face of the lion. Here. Where is the face of the lion? Okay, circle, Amy. Make a circle. Amy, make a circle. Cir
Okay.
okay, where is the face? It's your feet. Okay, now listen. Cut out the body. After that, you will going to cut out the body of the lion and the face. And
Okay.
now you will fold the tail and fold the face after that. And now you have a lion. Okay, look at the lion, Amy.
Oh no, lovely.
Okay, look at the face of the lion. Okay, here we go. This is the face of the lion. Okay, circle the lion, Amy.
No, lion.
Oh, that is a lion. All right. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, now let us have this. Okay.
Why was
Okay,
she
now
talking?
you will going to circle. Listen, Amy, listen carefully. You will circle the sentences and then you will count. Okay, circle the sentences. So one, this is one, and
One,
this one is two.
two,
Okay, how many sentences there are?
two.
Okay, this time you will going to circle. Okay, circle, Amy. Circle like this. Okay, circle. I want Amy to circle. Circle each sentence. Okay, one. One. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Again. All right, again. One. Okay, follow teacher, follow. One.
One,
Next. Count.
two,
Two.
two,
Okay, count. 3, and then, okay, where are you going? Amy, where are you going? Hey, Amy. Okay, let's count. This is 1. Okay, listen. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, listen. Listen, Amy. Okay, we will going to count. This is
3,
1,
2, 1,
2,
2, 3,
3, 4.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, how many sentences? There are 6. Okay, there are 6. Very good. Now, there are 6 sentences. 1.
Oh my
Uh,
God.
okay, oh my God. Okay, this one, Amy, look. Okay, look at this. Circle and add 1 out. Okay, circle and 1 add out. Okay, okay, now can you read? This is a... Okay, listen.
Pencil.
Pencil. Next. Okay, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Rubber. Okay, next.
Rubber.
Next word. 8. 8. 8. Ruler.
Ruler.
Ruler. Okay, which one will you out?
Ruler.
What is the word? The word is?
Ruler.
No, it's not the ruler. It's the word 8.
Ruler.
No, it's not ruler. 8. 8. Okay, this one. Okay, look at the screen, Amy. This is?
Ruler.
No. Look, that is a car. Ears.
Ruler.
No, ears.
Ear.
Train. Okay, listen. Train. Teddy.
My name is
Teddy.
Teddy.
My name is Teddy. Okay. Your name is Teddy. Okay, now listen. Car, ears, train, and Teddy. Which one is not belong?
Okay.
Okay. You have a teddy. What is the name of your teddy?
Capybara.
Capybara. Okay, capybara. Ah, okay. That's so cute. Okay, now Ami, you listen. Okay, listen. Car,
Car,
ears,
ear, tree,
train,
teddy.
Okay, which one doesn't
Train.
belong? Which one doesn't belong? No, teddy is a toy. Train is a toy. Car is a toy. Now, what about ears? Is the ears a toy? No. So therefore, the answer here is ears.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Okay,
My
this is correct.
teddy.
Okay, correct. Ami, now listen. This is?
What?
Okay, what is this? Okay, this one. Look. Book. Very good. This one.
No.
Nose. This. Hands. Good. And the last is eyes. Ice. Okay, now which one is not belong? Does not belong. Which one doesn't belong? Which one is different?
Book.
Book. Very good. Good job, Ami. It's the book. Yay! Ami got the
Oh, my
correct
teddy
answer.
bear.
Yes, Ami got the correct answer. Very good. Now let's have the number 4. Okay, number 4 question. Okay, number 4 question, Ami.
Oh,
Okay, let's read. Number
three.
3. Next. Number
10.
10. Number
Two.
2. And the last one is back. Okay. So again, can you read 3? Number 3. 3. Okay, read.
Yes.
Okay, read. 3.
Three.
Next.
10.
Mm-hmm.
2.
2 and
Back.
bag. Okay, which one is not
Bag.
belong? Okay, it's the bag. Very good, Ami. It's the bag. Good job. Yay! Ami got the correct answer. Bag. Okay. Next, number 5. What is this? Okay, this one.
Ball.
Ball. Ball. Ball.
It's orange. Ball.
Mm-hmm. Ball. Okay, this
Orange.
one. Okay, orange
Dot.
ball. Is that orange? Orange?
No.
Okay, you read. Ball.
Ball.
Window.
Window.
Next. Doll.
Door. Dog.
Kite.
Kite.
Okay, again. Ball.
Ball. Window.
Window.
Toy.
Doll. Doll. Kite.
Kite.
Okay, which one is that belong? Ball, window, doll, or kite? Which one doesn't belong? Window. Very good, Ami. It's the window. Very good. Good job. Okay, you got a score of 5 out of 5. Ami got a score of perfect score. That's why I will give Ami a lot of stars. Yay. Okay, next, Ami. Okay, now let us go into match. Okay, let us go into match. Okay. Okay, listen. Okay, listen, Ami. Oh no. Shh. Shh. Okay, listen. Listen. What is this? Oh, no, not that. Okay, this one, Ami, look. Okay, look at this. These are your and mine. Okay, read. This is, oh no. You read. This is, okay, listen, Ami. This is my
doll.
doll. This is my doll. Again. Okay, what about this one? This is
My teddy.
okay, very good. The word is my teddy. Next. These are
two cars.
These are 2 cars. Okay, you choose. These
These are my two cars.
Okay, these are my
2 cars.
okay, 2 cars, or you can say my cars. Next. This is This is, okay, listen, Ami, what are you doing?
This is
Okay, this is my kite. Okay, listen, this is,
my kite.
or this is your
This or
kite.
kite.
This is your kite.
This is your kite.
And next, okay, what are you,
Wow.
these are my train.
It's
Okay, now,
a shape.
okay, listen, Ami, listen. Okay, read and circle. Is it a kite? Okay, is it a kite? Look. Is it a kite? No. Is this a kite? Yes. Are you sure is this a kite? No. No, it isn't. Okay, circle. Can you circle this one? Okay, sir.
Yes, it is a teddy.
Okay, that is a teddy. So that is not a kite. Okay, circle. Can you circle? Okay,
No,
circle. Okay,
no.
circle, Ami. Circle.
Oh, you were informative understanding.
Okay, Ami, no, it isn't. What about this? Is it a train? Is this a train?
Ooh.
What is
Yes.
this? Yes. This is? What is this?
Mm,
Is this a train? Is it a train?
yes.
Okay, this is a train. So you say, yes, it is.
Yes, it
Yes.
is.
Okay, what about this? Is it a ruler? Is it a ruler? Is it a ruler? Okay, look at the picture. Is it a ruler?
Yes.
Okay, you say, yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Okay, again, is it a ruler? You say, yes, it is. Is it a ruler?
It is.
It's very good. Okay, next. Now, this one. Is it a puzzle? Is this a puzzle?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, look. Is this a puzzle?
Yes.
No, it's not. It's a ball.
Yes.
Mm. Is it a puzzle? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, look at the screen, Ami. Is it a puzzle?
Yes.
No, it's not a puzzle. It's a ball.
Oh,
Okay, so you say no, it isn't.
no, it isn't.
Okay, is it a puzzle? No,
No.
it isn't. It isn't. Okay, next. Okay, now this time, what is this, Ami? Okay, look. What is this? Hello,
Cat.
Ami. Okay, what is the first letter of the word cat? Letter?
A.
Mm-hmm. What is the first letter of the word cat? Letter?
C.
Okay, letter C. Very good. What about this one? Okay, what is this, Ami? Lion.
Lion.
Okay, what is the first letter of the word lion?
Lion.
Okay, what is the first letter of the word lion? Letter.
Lion.
The first letter is
Lion.
L. Lion.
Lion.
Okay, next word. Okay, this one. What is this? Oh, okay, but very good. What is the first letter of the but letter? Letter
The A.
letter B. Okay, the letter is letter B. Say the word bat. Okay, where are you going? Ami is dancing? Is Ami dancing? Okay, now listen, Ami. Okay, what about this? What do you call this one? Okay, I want Ami to sit. Sit down, Ami. Sit down. Sit down. I want Ami to sit down. Okay, sit down, Ami. Okay, here we go. Okay, what is this? What is this, Ami?
It's a cat.
Kite.
Kite.
Kite. Okay, what is the first letter of the word kite? What is the first letter? Letter?
A.
Letter K. Letter?
K.
Okay, letter K. Next. Okay, what is this, Ami? Okay, where are you? I can't see you.
Hello, you see?
Oh no. Where is Ami? I want to see Ami. Hey, Capybara, where is Ami? Ami? Ami?
I'm here.
Okay, what is this?
Cat.
No, this one. This is an... Okay, what is this? Egg. What is the
Egg.
first letter of the egg? Letter?
Yes. E.
Letter E. Okay,
Letter
letter E.
I.
Letter
Letter
E. Very good. Okay, this one, the
Letter
last. Okay, this one. What is this?
dog.
Dog. What is the first letter of the word dog? Dog, dog, dog. Letter? Letter
Letter B.
D. Good
B.
job.
B.
Okay. So I think Ami, we are running out of time. It's currently 9 p.m. So goodbye, Ami, and see you next time.
Sunshine.
Bye, Ami.
Bye bye. Teacher. Thank you. My cat.